my channel. Today's look, I wanted to use some Anastasia palettes. I used my Soft Glam palette and I used the Norvina palette. I bought the Norvina palette a long time ago when this launched. Like, I think it launched in like April or something, I don't remember, but I bought it early even before it hit the stores and I didn't even get a chance to use it. So today I wanted to do kind of like a pink purplish kind of look. My inspo was this Stila, you know, this liquid glitter eyeshadow. It kind of had a pinkish color to it with a little bit of like blue sparkly. It's called Siren. So I kind of wanted to use that on the lid. I only used a few shades. I didn't even use liquid liner. I know liquid liner is a lot for people. You know, a lot of people can't do the whole winged eye. So all I did was kind of trace it on my lash line, and then I put on my lashes and I covered the liner. I used the liner to cover the band basically, or the band that was showing. So yeah, pretty simple. So if you guys like this look right here, please keep on watching. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, so as I said, we're going to use Norvina and Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eyelids. Alright, first color I'm grabbing is Love from Norvina palette, and I'm placing this on my crease, above my crease actually. I'm just going to keep on blending and blending and blending really until I feel like the desired you know, color that I want is achieved. And as you guys will see throughout the video, I'm just going to keep on blending the colors. Each time I use a new color, I am going to go back and like blend in and add more color so I can have like a more like vibrant look. Next, I'm picking up Dusty Rose from Soft Glam palette and Passion from the Norvina palette. I'm going to mix both of those shades and I'm applying this under the first color we applied. Next, I'm picking up Mulberry from the Soft Glam palette, and we're going to place this on the outer V of the eye to kind of smoke it out. And you guys see I'm going to put in a little bit, blend some more, add in a little bit, blend, blend, blend. That's the key, blending. I'm going to go back with the first color, Love, that we put, and I'm just going to, you know, add in a little bit more. Next, I'm picking up Cyprus Umber from Soft Glam palette, and that's also going in the outer V. We're going to make it really, really dark, smoky, and blend, blend, blend. Going back in with the first shade Love, and I'm going to apply that above my crease, kind of darken everything up. I'm going to do that like a bunch of times, so if you guys see me doing that, that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting my crease. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, you know, tried and true, and I'm taking a small angled brush and I'm just going to cut my crease. It's very, very easy. You guys can see I put in a little bit more on my left eye, and I went in, I still blended. I kind of you know, took off some extra product I had on my brush and then went back in and blended, and yeah, there you go. Okay, I'm picking up the color WildChild from Norvina, and this color is so sparkly, so pretty, pink. I love the color, it's so beautiful. And I'm applying this directly with my finger. I figured with my finger I'm going to pack on a bit more product than I would with a brush, since it did have some glitter pigments in there. I didn't want it to get stuck in my brush. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to blend it in with my finger, and it turned out pretty good. Okay, so as you know, my looks are not complete without glitter. I'm using the Stila liquid glitters, and this is the color Siren. It's really, really pretty. It has like 3 different colors in one. It has a little bit of pink, a little bit of lavender-ish, and it has like a blue turquoise kind of tint to it. It kind of gave off some mermaid vibes. I really liked it. It was real pretty. Now I'm going back in with my crease colors and my outer V colors, darkening it up. Now for some more magnificent shine, I'm using this pink eBay glitter with Max Fix Plus, and I'm just going to dab in a little bit, not that much, like a really, really tiny bit. Pretty the glitters looked is not even capturing on camera. So I again used a NYX crystal glitter in the color Crystal Aqua. I applied it a little bit so you could definitely see like the pink, the lavender, the turquoise color in it. It looked mermaid vibes on the reel, so beautiful. So I did my lashes, my liner, mascara off camera, and the products that I used will be in the description box down below. Alright, so for blush, I'm mixing Milani's Big Blush in Dolce Pink and MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Seen to Be Seen. These are really pretty. I layered both of them. They were sparkly, really nice and pretty. I loved it. Now my favorite product for highlighter is this Stila All Over Shimmer Liquid Luminizer. This was so pretty, and as you can see here, I was blending it in with a concealer brush, and it didn't really blend that good. I used my finger and like the warmness of my finger. Oh my god, my highlight was on fleek, y'all, on fleek. And on top it off, I don't have a clip of this, but I used a Laura Geller highlighter in 24 karat glow. My highlight was on fleek. It was just bomb. Blinding highlight. Lastly, to complete the look, let's do lips. I used a NYX lip liner in Rose and MAC lipstick in Pink Nouveau. And to top it off, to make it sparkly, I used a Lorac lip gloss. Like, do you guys see the little crystals on it? It is so cute. It's so bling. I love it. The color is Creme Brulee.